on my power steering return line. This is from the box to the pump. This is what I started with. So I cut this part of it out, and I'm going to TIG weld this part back on. Point that. This is how I take care of this kind of stuff. It ain't pretty, but this dirty mild steel actually sucks to TIG weld. So got the steering box. Here's the piece. I threw a little bit of paint on it. I don't know why. Just goes down here. Let's see how it works. So now I'll just have to bend that one on the pump around a little bit. I used a Silverado factory hose. A little too long, but I had it. It was free and I don't have to buy one, so it should work though. Now I can at least fire it up. That's all that's really holding me back from starting it is power steering. Don't want to lose. Well, it's pretty hot out here in the garage, but we're gonna keep working. I do need to mention Roadkill Customs for the opportunity for this event if I make the 500, and my amazing wife for putting up with me and all my YouTube stuff, and just constantly out in the garage and watching YouTube and stuff like that. And Bruner Fabrication for letting me use all the equipment in their shop. So we're going to jump off here for now and on to something else.